Okay, so this question is about how to take a repeating decimal and turn it back into a fraction. Okay, and so we literally just have a couple tricks we need to use. So for example, first question, 23, you just put 23. And in my class, since an integer is a type of fraction, you don't have to rewrite it. Then the next little bit is the 0.2342. So 2342 over the same number of zeros as there are digits. So if it's just like 0.2 is 2 over 10, right? So it's got the same number of digits. 0.14 is 14% or 14 over 100. So you just keep that same pattern going, and however many digits there are after the decimal tells you how many zeros are in the denominator. Now what? Then in the next group you have 234, and here's what you do. You have to take the same number of 9s as you have digits above, and the same number of zeros as you have zeros over here. And the reason for that is, think of it this way. We know that 234 decimal repeating is equal to 234 over 999. But if we want to shift that decimal over, let's say 2 places, how would we do that? Well, we would say 234, instead of shifting it over 2 places that way, we can do it this way and say, well, we're just going to pop 2 zeros on. So we have to shift by exactly how many zeros there are over here, so we just keep tacking zeros on until it fits into that hole there. Okay? That's pretty straightforward. We talked about in class why we have this situation where, like, A, B, C, D is, those are digits, A, B, C, D over 9999. We talked about that. Okay, so you should go back in your class notes or come see me if you don't understand that. The second question is, the answer is, let's see, you go 592 over, okay, you count the number of 9s, 999, so it matches up, and then the number of zeros over there. Same number of zeros here has to match the same number of zeros over there. Next one, 2 plus 6 over 10 plus 424 over 999, and then tack the zeros on. Okay. Next question, 8 plus 234 over ding ding ding. Again, you count the number of zeros. They have to be the same as the number of digits. 948 over 999. Those number of 9s have to match the number of digits up here, and then we take these 3 zeros and tack them on over there again. Happens to be 3 in both cases. Now this one looks tricky, but it's not. It's 0 plus 0, 0, 0, 2 over 1, 0, 0, 0, 0. Okay, but you don't have to write these zeros or these zeros. They're not useful. 7, 7, 7, 7 over 9999, 0, 0, 0, 0. That's correct, but if you're following along here, you can divide this by 1, 1, 1, 1 on top and bottom, and that's also correct. Either of those is correct. And let's see, F is 0.23, so that's 23 over 100, plus 87564. Da, 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 same number of digits, and steal the zeros from over here. And that's it.